Did you know yawning has nothing to do with being tired? Your brain is actually running a sophisticated cooling system. Every single yawn drops your brain temperature by up to 2 degrees. This directly boosts your cognitive function in real time. But here's the shocking part. Yawning increases blood flow to your prefrontal cortex by 30%. People who yawn more frequently score higher on empathy tests. The most mind-blowing discovery? Yawning synchronizes brain waves between people in the same room. Try this challenge. Yawn intentionally 5 times before any important mental task. Your enhanced performance will surprise you. Your brain deserves this simple upgrade.